you.
Ma'am, we cannot
Okay,
hear
good
you.
Good afternoon,
afternoon to
ma'am.
each and everyone. Okay,
Okay.
how are you all children?
So, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Royce, turn on your video. Royce,
Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am, today.
No, it's okay.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is so low.
now
ma'am,
am I
no.
okay children?
Now somewhat
My
better.
full, I take full volume.
Last class we have discussed about the partition of Bengal. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Studio room
Once more
7.
explain.
Yes, studio
I did
number
not
7 we
understand.
discussed about the partition of Bengal. Bengal was divided into two parts. Yes, East Bengal and
And
West
West
Bengal.
Bengal.
Okay, by the Britishers. In which year the partition has happened?
1887.
1905.
1905.
Chapter.
Okay, in the year 1905, okay, the partition of Bengal was happened. Okay, Bengal was divided into
Ma'am,
parts.
ma'am,
Yes,
I by hearted the names of the Balagangadhara.
leaders.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Balagangadhara
Bal-
Tilak. Balagangadhara Tilak.
Yes,
Gopal
yes,
Krishna
yes.
Gokhale.
Okay, so the partition of Bengal, okay, is not liked by the leaders of Indian National Congress, and they raised their voice against the partition. Okay, and the leaders, okay, that is Lal Pal Bal. Okay, Lala Lajpat Rai, then
Balagangadhara
Gangadhara Tilak,
Chandrapal.
Bipin Chandra Pal.
Chandrapal.
Okay,
Chandra
yes, Lal Pal Bal, they were the
The partition of
famous
India.
leaders. Huh?
The partition of India.
Partition of India, not partition of Bengal.
Okay, ma'am.
one India state.
Mm.
India's one state.
Yes. Okay. And Lal Pal Bal. Okay. These three leaders. They have done something against. Okay. They reacted against the British government, and they have started. Okay. The Indians started. Okay, to organize a movement that is Swadeshi movement.
Yes, ma'am.
Swadeshi
Okay.
movement.
What do you mean by
Indians were-
Swadeshi movement?
Indians were
Self-rule.
asked to discard goods made by
Discard.
Britishers.
Yes,
Discard all the
asked
people.
to
Ma'am,
discard
this is the
the
chapter.
British goods.
Discard the British
Okay.
goods and
Yes,
use
the Indian
goods.
people were
Ma'am.
asked to discard in
Excuse me,
British
British
goods,
goods
and they were
and
asked to use
Ma'am.
made by British and
the
British.
things made, goods made by the clothes made by the Indians
Ma'am,
and
It's
all.
very sell, very big money.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Which is the chapter?
Who is asking this? Bengal and West Bengal.
Bengal.
One part for the Hindus and one part for the Muslims. Okay, the Britishers wanted to divide the Hindus and the Muslims. Okay, they wanted to divide the Indians on the basis of their religion. Okay, they always try to create problems among these Hindus and the Muslims. Always create
Okay.
problems in case of religion with related to
Because they separated them.
yes. Okay, they wanted to separate the Indians because if the Indians were united, what will happen? The Britishers could not establish their power, could not able to hold the power over the Indians. Okay, so they tried their maximum. Okay, so they tried their maximum to create problems among the Hindus and the Muslims. Okay, so Bengal was
Muslims.
divided, even though many of our leaders were against
ma'am.
the partition. Bengal was divided in the year 1905. Okay,
1905.
and so many movements were organized against this. Okay, that was Swadeshi movement.
Swadeshi movement.
Okay, I have told you during this time British made goods. Okay, and clothes, machine made clothes are available over here in our country. It was very cheap comparatively with our Ghadi clothes. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ghadi,
like
that
that
is
sewing
by
machine.
using the charka and all, it
Yes,
was comparatively it was very expensive. Our Indian made clothes are very expensive. Okay, because it required a huge manpower, and also it need a time. Okay, a lot of time to produce or to make
Weave.
cloth. Okay, but the Europeans, Okay, they brought a machine-made clothes. It was very cheap. Okay, and also means within a short time they
Yes,
could
ma'am. 10 not
they
15
could make
minutes.
Yes.
many piece of clothes. Okay, okay, so that it was very cheap. So the Indians were most Indians used the British made goods. So the Swadeshi movement, people were asked to discard the goods made by the
Goods made
British.
by Britishers.
Okay, and the Indians
And
were
asked
asked to use the goods or clothes made by the
made by
Indians.
Indians.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you
They
explain that one more
take-
time?
Hmm?
They didn't agree
Can-
with that, ma'am. One more
Yeah.
Can you explain
Which
that
one?
one more time?
Swadeshi.
The Swadeshi movement.
So Deshi movement, the Indians were asked to discard. Okay, discard means they were not used. Okay, they were not allowed to, or they were asked. Okay, not to use the clothes made by
Made
the
by British.
Britishers. British goods.
British.
Okay, and
Don't
Indians
use
were asked
that.
to use the things made by the
Indian. Indians.
Yes,
dear
Indian.
children.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
Yeah.
understand the
Okay.
meaning of discard.
Discard, I understood.
Okay. Yes. Okay. And you know, children, 6 years after, okay, in the year 1911, the partition was cancelled actually. Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
partition was cancelled and Bengal again reunited. Okay, that we will study in our next chapter. Okay. And
Means
you know,
part 2. Means
yes,
part
yes,
2
yes,
textbook.
yes. Okay. And you know, children, now we are going to study what are the effects. Okay, what are the effect of the partition after the partition? That means I have told you in the year 1905 the partition was happened. Okay, and after 6 years only after 6 years the partition was cancelled. Okay, so there are some effect. Okay, because of this partition, what is it that we will study in detail now? The first
Ma'am.
important, yes.
Ma'am, you said another meaning of revolution, right? What's the meaning of that revolution? 2 revolutions are there, right?
Earth's movement is revolution.
Another
Okay,
one.
that is the one moment. The other one, people of revolt, we have studied, you know.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Revolt
yes.
of 1857.
The people of country, if the means if they are means revolt means if they were not satisfied with the rules and regulations of that government, okay, they will react against the government. That also known by revolution. There are many revolutions, were the French Revolution, Russian Revolution.
ma'am.
Okay, means
Egypt
The
revolution.
rise of
the
the
people of France,
revolutionaries.
okay, the people of France, they were not happy with the government, so
Ma'am,
they
Egypt revolution.
so they fight against to the government.
Okay, ma'am.
I need
Thank you,
one,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
it will be clear to you.
First one is
I studied
first one itself is the rise of the revolutionaries.
Rise of revolution.
in 2011.
That's why,
One
have
important. Can you see the letters, children? Can you see the letters?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it clear?
No. No, ma'am.
the color.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
better.
Yes. Clear. White, ma'am. White. Clear,
I
ma'am.
use white color. Okay.
Ma'am, red.
Is it okay?
Red, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Of the revolutionaries. That is the most important effect of the
British.
This is the most important effect.
effect of the effect of the
Partition
partition.
of-
Okay.
Okay.
This partition. See, children, I have told you about moderates and extremists. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Who were
ma'am.
moderates?
Yes, ma'am.
Who were moderates and who were extremists?
And can you explain that
Wanted
one more
to
time?
cooperate with the British and extremists wanted to
Explain. Can you explain that one more time?
Moderates and extremists.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't understand.
Before
this
that,
properly.
okay. Before that, anyone knows the answer? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Tell me, Angelina.
Moderates means people who wanted to cooperate with the British,
Very good,
And-
good, Angelina.
and extremists means to rise against the British.
Good, very good. That is a correct answer. Okay, see children, there were two sections of people. Okay, the international Congress, there were two sections of people that were moderates and extremists. Okay, moderates, okay, they wanted to cooperate with the government. Okay, and at the same time, they wanted to react against the British government, but in a peaceful manner.
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
Okay.
Moderates means light.
Extremists, okay, they wanted to react against the government through violence. That means through some actions.
Ma'am, can you speak some more louder?
Okay, they needed to, yes. Okay, the extremists, they wanted to work against the Britishers through violence. They wanted to attack British officers, British persons and all. Okay, but the moderates, they wanted to react against the British government, but it is in a peaceful way.
They will adjust with them. Okay. Now I understood properly. Thank you, ma'am.
Here, the rise of revolutionaries, okay, that also means that some people thought that only through violence, okay, only through the actions, only we can throw the British people from here. Okay, children, mute your audio. I can hear some sounds. Okay, so people felt that, okay, use of violence was the only way to overthrow the British. Okay, so some of them become revolutionaries.
It's very angry and violent.
Those who wanted to use
Violence.
violent method.
Yes, ma'am. Wanted to use violent.
Ma'am, can we note it?
Yes. Okay, the revolution.
We should try this in the class notes.
Yeah, lecture note. You are keeping a notebook with you, no? To write down the main points.
No, ma'am. I am doing only
Rough book only. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So the revolutionaries means that some people felt that the Britishers will go from here only if we were using violence method. Okay, we cannot overthrow the British government through peaceful way. Okay, see children, do you know about Gandhiji?
Ma'am, I have a book, storybook itself. Storybook itself.
See children, he was against this violence. Okay, he was against this violence. We got independence only means through his peaceful processions, rallies, hartals, picketings and all. We have won the independence. Okay, but the revolutionaries wanted to do something against the Britishers. Okay, and one revolutionary leader was Khudiram Bose. Khudiram Bose. He was only 18 years old. Okay, he was only 18 years. Okay, only 18 years old. And
so
he
brilliant.
tried to assassinate a British judge. What do you mean by assassinate? Kill. Okay,
I don't know, ma'am.
To kill a
British judge.
To kill a important
British judge. He tried to kill a British judge, and he was captured by the Britishers and he was hanged to death by the Britishers.
Ma'am, is that Khudiram?
Khudiram.
Khudiram Bose.
He was a revolutionary. He was only 18 years old and he tried to assassinate. He tried to kill a British judge, okay, British officer, but he was captured by the Britishers and he was hanged to death.
Ma'am, then after his death, who was the ruler?
Who was the? No, he was not a ruler. He was only a revolutionary. He was only a member.
And he was hanged to death.
Yes, ma'am. British officer. So he killed whom, ma'am? He tried to kill whom, ma'am?
He tried to kill a British officer. Okay, but he
British
was
judge.
captured and he was hanged to death. Okay, and many other revolutionaries, they tried to make bombs. Okay, bombs. I have told you we have only, we do not have any modern weapons.
Modern weapon.
Yes.
We
And
have
many
only
of
old
them have
weapons.
gun,
We only have
bombs
old
and
weapons.
all. Okay, so many
Like sword.
revolutionaries tried to make atom bombs and all bombs to kill
Yes, ma'am.
the British.
Yes, ma'am.
American
Yes,
only
ma'am.
Okay,
atom bomb.
the
Americans.
Britishers, they tried to make atom bombs and all.
Ma'am, Britishers
They,
have that
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
something like rocket, something
Missile.
rocket bombs, like missile.
Bombs
That
and all.
one
The
said.
Missile
Britishers
only.
knows it. Okay,
Jetpack missile.
Okay,
they
ma'am.
have modern
Missile.
weapons with them, but the
Excuse me,
Indians
ma'am.
were primitive. Yes, Sri Shankar.
Is they win for that?
Who?
The people that
Yes. Some
they
of
win,
them.
they defeat
Some of them made bombs.
British.
Okay, that
And they
we will
defeat.
study about death bomb and all that. We will discuss on the next chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Part 2.
Okay, so children, we
Ma'am.
are discussing about the effect of partition. The first and most important effect of the partition of Bengal was the rise of revolutionaries.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Even though there were moderates and extremists were there, okay, many people, okay, wanted to follow violent method against the Britishers. Okay, and among them, one revolutionary, okay, his name was Ghudiram Bose. Okay, he was only
Rambo.
18 years old. Okay, and he tried to assassinate, he tried to kill a British judge, but he was captured. Okay,
By the
he was
British
captured
and
by
put
the
to
Britishers. He was hanged to death.
death.
Dead by
Okay,
Britishers.
and many other revolutionaries tried to make atom bombs and tried to make guns and all. Tried to use guns and all, and they tried to kill some of the British officers and all. Okay, but
And some win.
most of them were captured and hanged by the Britishers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the first point, is it clear, children? The rise of the revolutionaries
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
wanted to
Yes,
use the
ma'am.
violent methods.
Ma'am,
Okay, they
is
were
Gandhi
called as
was like that.
revolutionaries. Shreya?
Is Gandhiji was like that person, revolutionary.
Gandhiji, see children, Gandhiji was, till this time, Gandhiji was not there in the picture. Okay, and Gandhiji, he never likes violence.
Violence.
He
We
was
like
against
peace.
violence.
Ma'am, like the peace. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there was network issue. Can I leave and come back?
Okay.
I can't see anything.
Okay, friend. Come back. Okay, children. So that was the most important effect of the partition. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and second one was the formation of a political party, that is All India Muslim League.
Muslim
Only
League.
meant for
Ma'am,
the,
can you speak some more louder?
yes.
Ma'am, this is enough.
Hmm?
My volume I put full. It is enough.
Formation of a new political party, that is All India Muslim League, in the year 1906. Okay, see children, which was the first political party?
Indian National Congress was
Indian
formed in
Okay,
Bombay.
so till this time there were only one single political party. So after when the Bengal was partitioned, okay, a new political party, okay, that is All India Muslim League. From the name itself, you have got an idea. See, children, can you tell me? This party
Yes, ma'am.
meant only for the
Full Muslim.
Sir.
okay, they
Muslim.
worked for the welfare of the Muslims. Okay, so All India Muslim League Party was formed in the year. This date, it is very important, children. In the year 1906.
Yes, ma'am. It will make confusion among the partition of Bengal and this one.
1905, the partition was happened after 1 year. Okay, 1906. Okay, a new political party was formed. That is
Yes.
All India Muslim.
All India
Muslim League.
The party wanted to protect the right of the Muslims.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you say the meaning of league? League.
Lego. It means only an association. Okay.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. I am
Muslim
hearing this word so many times, but I didn't understand.
That you,
A party
only-
and all.
Ah,
Kerala
as
India
it meant
party.
only an association or a group of members. Okay. Wanted to protect the Muslims.
Some safety for the Muslims.
Muslims in India.
The
Only for the
Muslims right.
Okay.
Ma'am, Muslim was
They called for the formation of a separate. Later, they called for the separation of a new state.
ma'am.
Children, I have told you at the time when we have got independence. Okay, when we got independence, that means in the year 1947, the Muslim League demanded for a separate nation, separate country for them.
like India.
Bangladesh.
And so that India was divided into
Pakistan.
India and Pakistan.
Yes.
India and Pakistan. Okay. When we got independent, that means during 1947, in the year 1947, when we won independence, that time this Muslim League, this All India Muslim League, they demanded for a separate nation for them. Okay, and India was divided as India and Pakistan. Okay, that
Pakistan.
we will study later.
Then they became enemies.
Bangladesh separated from India.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Bangladesh also enemies.
Yes.
All
ma'am, another one more sentence is there. So the Congress split into two groups.
That is moderates and extremists.
Youth
Okay.
Congress.
Okay, that means moderates and extremists, they were differ in their ideas. Means some moderates, they wanted to cooperate with the British government. They
And
wanted
also
to
they want
do
to write-
against the Britishers in a peaceful manner. But the
They want
extremists,
to
they
write.
wanted to use violent method. Okay.
Gandhi was
Violent man.
Pakistan, in the year
Violent.
1947, India, it was divided into India and Pakistan. Okay, that we will study,
Two
that
parts.
details we will study later. Now you understand only this thing, that is in the year 1906, All India Muslim League was formed to protect the right of the Muslims. Clear, children?
And they separate.
Yes, ma'am.
And then Pakistan become enemies.
clear, ma'am.
More effect. Okay, one more effect of the partition, that is split in the Congress. That we have discussed it once. Split in Congress. That means
Ma'am, that moderate and extremists,
yes.
that split.
Moderates felt that the extremists were too violent in their methods of protest, so the Congress split into two groups in the year 1907, extremists and moderates.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
So these 3 years, you need to note it down, children.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
partition of Bengal, it was in the year 1905. The formation
The
of
same year,
Muslim
one
League
year.
Party, yes, All India Muslim League Party, it was in the year 1906.
1906.
Okay, and in the year 1907, Congress was split
In
into
Congress.
two. Okay,
Two
yes.
moderate and
Moderates and the
extreme.
extremists. These two people differ in their ideology. Okay, someone wanted to use violence, but the others do not want to use the
Violence. Gandhiji was in peace.
Gandhiji was a moderate leader.
Moderate person.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Gandhiji was a moderate leader. And extremists were there many extremists, Subhash Chandra Bose. That all we will study later. Okay, extremists.
Yes, ma'am.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, ma'am. I
Subhash
know
Chandra
it.
Bose. Have you heard about Subhash Chandra Bose?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
he was
One
dead.
fact is there.
He was dead.
I heard of him.
Plain, ma'am. Plain, ma'am.
One mark is there.
The slogan Jai Hind was made by him.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Which is slogan?
He has.
He was dead, ma'am.
He founded an army, that is Indian National Army. Okay, to
He was the first
to
leader of
fight against the British.
British.
And even
And he
women
were
were admitted in that army. That all things you will study. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, who made Muslims that, ma'am? Who
Huh?
made Muslims?
Muslim.
Who made Muslim caste?
Muslim League.
No, ma'am.
Ah,
Like Hindus and Christians, right?
ah.
Who made Muslims
God.
caste?
God
See,
only.
actually, Islam, you know, this religion, okay, it was not prevalent, not here. It is from only during the 16th century. 16th century and 17th century, Islam was brought over here by the merchants, Arab merchants.
First was Hindus, right? Hindu.
Here,
Hindustan.
here before that, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas,
To
Varnas
God.
were there, Varnas.
Song.
Okay, and after then Islam has arrived, then Christianity.
Then
Okay, so
Christian.
majority are the Hindu people
Okay,
here in
ma'am.
India. Majority are
Christians were
Hindus.
made by British. Okay.
Okay. So
Understood,
children,
ma'am.
what are the effects of the partition? The first one is rise of revolutionaries. Okay, many people wanted to react against the British government through violence. Okay, they do not want to go in a peaceful manner with the Britishers. Okay, and many of them tried to make bombs, guns. Okay, and
like
one of the
atom bomb.
revolutionaries, that was Ghudiram Bose. Okay, he just tried to assassinate a British judge, but he was killed at the age of 18. He was
hanged.
hanged
Hanged,
by the Britishers. Okay, the second important
Britishers.
effect of the partition was the formation of
Formation
a
of
new political
Muslim.
party, that is All India Muslim League. Okay, it was formed
India
in the
Muslim
year
League.
1906. Okay, these people mainly work to
1906.
protect the interest or protect the
Miss
right of the
240.
Muslims. Okay,
Ma'am,
they
10
mainly
is
work
240.
to protect the interest of the Muslims in India. And when we got independence later, that means in the year 1947, they demanded
Can
a
you speak
separate
some more
nation,
louder?
a separate country for them.
Ma'am, this is enough, ma'am. This louder
Okay,
is enough.
and the third point, split in the
Read
Congress.
the Congress.
Okay, the
In
revolutionaries
Congress.
were two extremists. So the moderates are not happy with the extremists. Okay, because they were trying to kill the British officers. They were trying to attack British officers and all. They were trying to make bombs and all. So the moderates were not happy with the extremists. So they split in the year 1907. They split into two sections.
Split.
Okay, Gandhiji was a moderate leader. Okay, he organized many strikes.
Peace.
Yes, he
Peace.
organized many strikes.
By peace,
hartals
he need
and all
freedom.
against the Britishers. Okay, children.
They worked so many hard, right? They worked so hard.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Go through the textbook. Read the
Yes,
textbook.
ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I'll send the notes today itself.
Okay, ma'am. I
Read the
was
notes.
touching the note.
Okay, yes. And we will begin our new chapter
And
from
new
the second term
textbook.
book. Okay, from the second
Okay,
term
ma'am.
book.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
If
ma'am.
I
Thank you,
answer the
ma'am.
question, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.